Section 1.3. How Copilot changes how we learn to program. When learning how to program in the past, learners often spent most of their time working with the syntax and basic structure of programs. When we use the word syntax, we're referring to the symbols and words that are valid in a given language. Programmers would need to write all of the syntax of a program from scratch, character by character, line by line. People learning to program used to spend weeks or months to get to a point where they could write even basic programs. Now, Copilot can immediately write those same basic programs and offers code that is almost always syntactically and structurally correct. As you'll see in the rest of the book, we still need to verify that this code is correct, because Copilot can make mistakes. However, we don't need to write it from scratch anymore. We believe Copilot and similar tools signal the end of the old way that people learn to program. You, as someone interested in learning how to program, simply don't need to struggle with syntax, understanding exactly how to call a given Python function, and the host of other Python concepts needed to write code like you'd have had to in the past. Sure, we're going to learn about those concepts in this book, but not so that you can demonstrate your understanding by writing code from scratch that Copilot can produce easily. No, we'll learn those concepts only because they help us solve meaningful problems and interact productively with Copilot. Instead, you get to learn how to write larger, more meaningful software faster because of how an AI assistant fundamentally changes the skills needed to learn programming.